How to scale a drawing. The first drawing is not scaled. The page status is at the bottom left of the page. To scale the page, click on the Scale button. We can scale a page in two ways, with the help of the Calibrate scale or the Standard scale. To calibrate the page using the Calibrate scale, draw a line and enter a physical distance. After that, press Enter or click the button. To scale the page using the Standard scale, specify the scale and drawing size. After that, all your measurements will be correct. Thank you for watching.